And I am back. I see you guys have been chatting about school. Do you mean Werewolf like the card game, Lovely? Or is it just like just a game with rules? No props necessary kind of thing. Because I've got a game called Ultimate Werewolf, I think it is. And I've also played a short form version of it. It's like a card game. It's really cool. Reminds me of countless games of Heads Down, Thumbs Up. Oh yeah, Heads Down, Thumbs Up was a big hit at our school for sure. You guys have Heads Down, Thumbs Up in America? Or is that like a Australasian thing? Okay, so we do that little part, we put that in there, and then it goes, excellent, okay, so it's working. Back at it again at Krispy Kreme. Oh my god, can you send me some Krispy Kremes, please? Printed your own cards. Everyone gets one card and that has their role on it. There are variations, but we just play the simplest version where there are werewolves, villagers, a seer, and a doctor. That's awesome. That's really cool. I wish my teachers were cool enough to play games like that. Yeah, for us it was mostly like 20 questions and heads down, thumbs up. And Mafia? I haven't heard of Werewolves and Mafia. Or is that like, is Mafia another game? What's the Time, Mr. Wolf was Mr. Wolf was definitely one we played. I used to enjoy Scarecrow Tiggy, where if you get tagged then you have to become a scarecrow and try and tag people as they run past you. That was fun. That was one of the outdoor games that we'd play. Werewolf is a reskin of Mafia. Oh, okay.